Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and alright, so we have to go through all of those options, so simply tap on OK. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and the timer is on the second position from the left. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got three different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay, so simply tap on the option you'd like to use. And as you can see, the icon changed slightly, so you can always check if you've got the timer. What is more, on the shutter button, we've got this timer icon, which simply means that we will never, we will be always able to check whether we've got the timer set or not. Alright, so let's simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, we have to wait. So we've got kind of another timer. Alright, and the photo has been taken, I believe. And the same situation if you want to set 3 seconds delay and off, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.